Okay, so we tagged that level I just talked about in some other videos, and let's pull up, same tools here, but let's pull up, let's go ahead and pull up the trading view look of things. Also, for like institutional or fund level trading, which I do, I was pounding that with short side order flow, and today is ring the till day, hitting mid-band, and the remainders won't come out until probably somewhere right in this area, right around 28,700s and below to 2600s. I'll cover out any last remainder. So very, very significant amount of time spent outside the upper bands. And now through AI, I'm starting to optimize the super bands and finding all kinds of data settings that are not at all what I've looked at before, some on Renkos, some on time-based charts. So more continual process improvement. And I shot some videos about trading all day long, or pretty close to it, especially in your own account. I'm getting some of that stuff very dialed in. So yesterday I talked about massive institutional distribution day. That call ended up being dead on the money. And we sold off. I talked about coming down, tagging out this level this morning. Looks like we're just doing that now. So I cover all day long trading automated and some of the ways you can do that. And actually there's some really good content just in general, regardless of what type of system you're trading. In here on the prop firm Scalping site for the guys running that website. So anyhow, I'm helping them get everything launched and running. I'm using the tools now myself. I love these tools, mixed with some of the tools I built from the past, but having that Claude AI connected to TradingView is like an quant to help you optimize stuff that just keeps working and working. You don't have to pay him anything but 20-something a month. That's a heck of a good deal. So some videos on trading and automating your trading in TradingView. There's the institutional distribution day video, catching huge moves, 2-part series, using a hybrid momentum tool, just all kinds of good videos. And then today I shot a video earlier, all day long trading automated, how that can be done. So we've definitely come down and tagged out that prior video or level I talked about in a prior video. Where do we go from here? There's definitely a key area just below. So if this thing gets ugly for a few days, we've had a heck of a run up. So, at some point, institutionals don't want to keep buying the market way above value. That's just kind of a dumb area to continue to keep buying and buying and buying. It's better to let the market pull back, have a more organic auction market process instead of just pumping the hell out of it every day with Fed discount window money, and then, let it come back, buy it, then push it up, not just buy. So, and then below that, this is a really key area too. And who knows, they could puke up the whole thing today, all the way down to that level. And, that was kind of the morning in the overnight session. We had buying, and then we came in through the open and pumped that whole extension higher. So all that extension from the U.S. cash session Friday going forward has now been given back. So we'll see what we get, but that's the next key area I'm paying attention to. And I always like to pay attention to levels on indices that were created during the U.S. cash session hours, because there's more volume and more institutional, heavier volume activity. You can see we even had a big extension prior to that one from last Friday. So there's a lot of this levels could be given back really fast if geopolitical events, or just kind of get a buyer strike for a while where everybody's waiting for the market to give a more healthier pullback, maybe before they get in and support prices and then push it again. We'll see. So And again, I just want to reiterate for the prop firm scalping group on the current special offer, the TradingView guys over at propfirmscalping.com will leave this special offer up through, I think it's Sunday, and then they're going to move to only quarterly subscription model. So if you have any questions on that, just email them over at info@propfirmscalping.com. And yeah, the Prop Firm Scalping YouTube channel, there's going to be more content going up. And then for the Prop Firm Scalping current group, there's going to be, they're sending out an email today with a whole bunch of reference and training material on trading automated on TradingView with Traders Post, third-party tool, and then a range of videos on start getting you guys up to speed with connecting Claude AI to TradingView, a various range of videos there before I get into some video content that I'm going to put together for the Prop Firm Scalping group to put out to everybody on how I'm connecting and using it. And that, of course, that's on the desktop version. So you can definitely use the outputs for the tools. You can connect the PFS system in TradingView so Claude AI can interact with the tools for optimization and strategy mining work and so on. So I want to keep this video short, but there you have it. If you have any questions, shoot them an email. And yeah, the special offer will remain, according to them, till Sunday evening. They're in Pacific time. So yeah, Sunday evening, probably 7-ish, 8-ish, and then they're going to flip everything to a quarterly subscription model going forward. Okay, there you have it. Have a fantastic day, but we tag that level, and we'll see if selling accelerates or we can find some support into the end of the day. We'll see.